Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.
What's up, guys? Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today is day 11 of the $500 account challenge. I made a video earlier and it didn't record, so I'm gonna make a shorter one this time. I do not feel like talking forever again. Anyways, if you want to follow this account challenge more closely, or if you want to take the same plays as me, free link to the Discord below. We have a 3-day free trial going on right now. I don't really like to talk about Discord like that. I just like to teach, and I like to have fun trading. I'm not a trader. I'm a pharmacist. I just like trading and finance on the side. All right. So let's get right into it. Boom and a boom and a boom. So this is where we are at for day 11 right now. Day 11 on the $500 account challenge. So today we went up pretty much 100%. So if you saw the last video, I'll leave the link here and at the end of the video. But for the playlist shows every single day that we trade. It shows all all of the progress. But anyways, so yeah, where are we at? So 5,300 currently. So if you saw Friday, today is April 7th, by the way, Monday, April 7th. If you saw Friday, it was April 4th. Friday, April 4th, we got the account up to 2,600 from being at 1,700, I believe. 1,900. We were at 1,900, then we got up to 2,600, and then today we doubled the account from 2,600 to 5,300. All right. And what play did we take? So who cares about like how much money we have? I don't care. Who cares? Let's talk about how do we get there. Okay, how do we get there? No matter how much you have, you can do something. You can do some damage. Okay, and that's what I want to show with this $500 account. All right. So pretty much, I took puts at the open. But small size. So $600 of my $2,600 in the account, I took puts. It went up really, really good. It went up to like $1,200. But I got greedy and I didn't take profit. Then it all of a sudden reversed ridiculously. Okay, ridiculously. And then on this move back to the upside, we broke this 15-minute range. I saw the volume RSI was coming up. And again, keep in mind the volume RSI was coming down, which is why I took puts at the open. We were below the 9 and the 20. We were below key levels. All right. Anyways, we got this breakout. I don't want this video to get messed up again, so I'm trying to go fast. So we got this breakout, nice breakout. The volume RSI started to come up really nicely, nice upward move. Micro double bottom, bullish engulfing bar, and then we took out these highs. And then I went over and I checked NVIDIA Schmidia. NVIDIA was actually having a breakout on the 4th candle, which showed me that, hey, we're probably going to get a really good move on IWM. Very good confluence for NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the thermometer for the market along with Bitcoin. All right, take notes. I swear to God. All right. Anyway, so I took IWM 0 DTE 180 strike calls and made 2.6K with 15 contracts. If I would have held and I exited here on the gap fill, okay, I took 180 strike calls and we got to 180. I exited immediately, but we ended up going to 190. Okay, in that same 5-minute time frame. If I would have held, I would have been up 15K instead of 2.6K, but who cares? That's not the point of this. All right. So the point of this, I'm going to cut this video pretty short, but the point of this is that we want to be consistent with our trades. We want to be getting in at good entries. So that was a good entry. I entered on the break. The confluence was good. There was a lot of evidence that the trade should have went up, and I took that trade. Okay. That's what matters. And then my exits, like for me, like I said, I'm looking for $200 a day currently is the goal. When we were at 500, I was looking for $100 a day. So we doubled the goal now, looking for $200 a day. Because all I'm looking to do is to compound this account. And at different levels, we're going to up the goal. Different levels, we're going to up the goal. $200 a day is $1,000 a week. Most people can't do that. Okay, most people are aiming for a goal they can't even see. They're like, oh, I just want $1 million bajillion dollars today. And then they end up going down $500. And then they're like, oh, I just need to make the 500 I lost yesterday. So most people's goals are to gain what they just lost. Okay. Most people don't have goals in trading, and that's why you lose. Most people's goals are to gain what they just lost. My goal is only $200 a day, and you saw I went way past. I went 10x that, and I didn't want to. That wasn't what I wanted. Okay, I wasn't like, oh, I want to go 2K today. No, this $500 account challenge is to show you aim for the small goals and watch the money just compound. And what you want to focus on is the setup. As long as you're in the right place, if the setup is good and you're in the right place at the right time, that thing is just gonna go. Okay, it's just gonna go. So I was like, if I looked at my trade, and we were hitting our targets and stuff, and it was at $200, I would have took profit. But we were hitting our targets, and I was at 2K. I was like, yeah, dang. But it was a good trade. Okay, that's what matters. Everything was aligning in that same direction, and there was also news that really helped it. Okay, that really helped it, essentially. But anyways, that's where we are on the challenge. We're up to 5K on day 11. So let's keep it going. Again, like I said, we're taking $500 to $36 million guaranteed. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. it's guaranteed. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a lot of giveaways as we hit like these different levels. Like once we hit like 50K, I'll probably do like a 5, 10K giveaway or something. We hit 100K, I'll do like a 20K giveaway. And then once this account hits 200K, we'll do like a 50K giveaway or something, give away a car or something. And then up in the millions, we'll do like hundreds of thousands of dollars. Anyways, it's not about the money. It's about growing physically, spiritually, financially. That's what this channel is about. That's why I call myself Mr. Fit to Flourish. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow the challenge. I'm going to leave the link at the end of this video. Also, if you want to follow more closely, link to the Discord, free 3-day trial here. And then also a lot of good videos on this channel. It's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish, and I am out.